Giving honor to whom honor is due. Paying tribute to retired U.S. Marine Corps Colonel Sortino, who served our country from 1962 to 1990. A day of service and remembrance.
This is just a chance here to get introduce the Sortino family.
This is my wife, Irene, and I'm Don Sortino.
When we did the first initial visit with them, it was a no-brainer that we were definitely going to take care of them and help them out. They're military, I'm retired military, so the bond was there already. When they started telling us stories about how the colonel took care of his troops out in Vietnam, and he is just one of the stand-up guys, and military always takes care of its own. And this is my chance to give back to the military and another veteran. It has been great for both, not only our company, myself personally, and my team as well.
I'll tell you, there couldn't have been a more professional individual than those that came out. I just hope that everyone out here who's doing the work somewhere, sometime, that they will, in fact, reap the benefits themselves. And they do, Crystal, while they will.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Randy. I'm post commander here. Welcome. The stuff that you guys do for veterans and for the community is amazing. And we follow the same guidelines. We do programs throughout the community for fellow veterans. But we don't have the skills and the capability that you guys do. You go a step further. And when you do that, and it makes a difference in just one veteran's life for their family.
And I do want to tell you all that you are a top-notch group, and you're welcome anytime. Just stop by. Anything that we could ever do for you, and I certainly do talk you up because you're great people. And thank you so much. We were so humbled by your generosity and your caring. So thanks.
A National Day of Service and Remembrance, 2015. Celebrating Colonel Sortino for his service, and Joe McCabe of Mr. Handyman of Northern Virginia, Arlington to Haymarket, for donating more than 150 hours performing home repairs.